Hi friends, this is Janine Pettit, brand ambassador for Camco, and guess what? I'm here at the mothership. We've got 5 new enhancements for your sewer and septic system. I'm going to share them with you today, and I'm starting with the Rhino Nesting RV Support Hose Kit. That's a mouthful. We just call it the Nest. So guess what this does? 5 stacking little support. I mean, the Romans couldn't have done better than this. These things help your sewer hose slope downhill. So they're graded for you. This is great because A, it keeps your hose off the ground. So if it sticks and twigs and leaves and dirt, all of that doesn't get scrunched up and put into your container when you leave. The other thing this thing does is just give you a little more choice. So you can bend it this way and that way. You can get this thing going downhill, or if you're on level land, it'll slope for you just on level land too. So this is another way that Camco is always reinventing the wheel, and it comes with this fantastic little way to store it. So stack them all up, wrap it with this nice Velcro thing, stick it in your storage space, and you're ready to go next time you're at the campground. I've got my Camco Sanitation Bag. They make these for hoses, for all kinds of things, and they've got a little tag on it. So if I open my door and I'm looking for sanitation, I grab the one with the orange tag. So in here, I have all kinds of things that is gonna make sanitation station a lot safer for you. Starting with the gloves. This is so great. Never touch your sewer hose or the fittings without gloves on. This is cool because it's a little pack. You open this up, the top flips, and inside there's some little tabs on there. You stick those on, peel them off, and then this sticks to the door inside of your storage bin. So when you go to look for them, you're not digging around in all kinds of stuff. So just refill it when you're done. Here is the Camco fitting wrench. This is such a great gadget to have. So when you're putting your sewer hose onto your RV, there's 4 little knobs, and so often we're just trying so hard to get those things to click. We don't feel safe until we click. So this attaches to the sewer hose, and then you turn it, you get that click that we all love to hear, but then you reverse it and you click it off. So this is gonna help you get that nice tight fit that you want on that sewer hose. Okay, there's more wrenches. This is the clean out wrench. So when you're all done and you have to go over and put your hose in the dump station, there is that really tight screw-on lid. Sometimes the receptacle is sticking up and sometimes it's down. Either way, it's gonna work. You could attach it this way and wrench that thing off, or put this in top down and wrench that thing off. So you can get that thing on and off without having to take tools out of your own camper. Now, you don't wanna use your wrench on the sewer hose. You wanna use the sewer wrench, throw it back in this bag, and it's never touched anything. This thing is a lifesaver. Okay, here is one of my favorite things. This is the Camco Mag Cap. Mag for magnetic. Many moons ago, these things used to go in with a pin. It was impossible. Look at this. Done, everybody. Pulls right off. This is so strong. If you've ever driven down the highway and see someone's sewer hose coming out, it's a sad sight, isn't it? So this has little air holes in it, lets all the gases escape, and it is just super easy to put on and take off. So when you get all done, throw it all back in your Camco Sanitation Bag, toss it in your thing, and you are ready to go. To find out more, go to CamcoOutdoors.com and use the Girl Camper code, GirlCamper10, and get 10% off.
Camco,